The Parkland shooter, Nicholas Cruz, did the same thing. In Florida, it's called, instead of saying the defendant stands silent, in Florida, it's the defendant stands mute. And that's what Nicholas Cruz did, and the mentality behind that was that it serves as one of the mitigators, and that is remorse, because we know that Nicholas Cruz admitted to what he did and wanted to enter into a plea agreement with the state to avoid trial in return of dropping the death penalty. He would plead guilty. They turned that down. He ends up pleading guilty anyway, and they have the penalty phase where eventually he was not sent to death row. Do you think that maybe, Michael, that's the angle, that he is going to eventually plead guilty here, that might be behind why he chose to, quote, stand silent?
That could be. He clearly had a discussion with his attorney. This was an intentional act on their part, right? This is part of a larger plan and strategy that him and his counsel have put together. It could just be that his counsel told him the only way out of the death penalty is through this judge. It's not through a jury, it's through this judge. You're going to have to prove to this judge that you are remorseful, and this might be the beginnings of that play. We're going to find out soon, and for all we know, maybe that's why they put the trial date so soon, because maybe the court knows something we don't know. There is a gag order on this, so they might know something they definitely know something we don't know, and that thing might just be that this kid is going to end up pleading out.